Question 9 asks, what are the factors of 2x squared plus 15x plus 25? And I've circled the plus signs because when you're dealing with problems of this and you're factoring something, if both of these signs are positive, that means both of the terms in the answer will be positive. So that automatically tells us that it is answer choice number C. And there's other rules. There's other ways that you can figure out what the terms in the answer will be from these signs, but I won't go into them now. Both the terms in this are positive, so they will both be positive in here. I will work it out though, just to prove it. Alright, 2x plus 5 times x plus 5. Right. So 2x times x equals 2x squared. Remember, there's a 1 here and here. So 2 times 1 equals 2. Then 1 plus 1 equals 2. So 2x squared. Now 2x times 5 equals 10x. Right. 5 times x equals 5x. And 5 times 5 equals 25. Combine like terms, you get 2x squared plus 15x. 10x plus 5 equals 15. Simple math. Then 25. So 2x squared plus 15x plus 25. That's the answer choice up here. So C is the correct answer. Which expression is equivalent to 2a cubed times b squared times cube root of 12b? Alright, so the answer choice is A, and I'm going to work through it and show you how I know that. Alright, so first things first, we need to factor 96. So I made a factor tree over here. 96 divided by 2 equals 48. 48 divided by 2, 24. 24 divided by 2 is 12. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Cannot take anything else from 3. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 2's and a 3. So 2 to the power of 5 times 3 equals 96. So instead of cube root of 96, we have the cube root of 2 to the power of 5 times 3. And we could use the exponent rule and take this 2 to the power of 5 and split it into two parts. Split it into 2 to the power of 3 times 2 to the power of 2. Right. And we can simplify part of this. If we take 2 to the power of 3 and put it in its own cube root, and now have the cube root of 2 to the power of 3 times the cube root of 2 to the power of 2 times 3, we can simplify this part. 2 cubed to the power to the cube root of 2 cubed equals just 2. And I'll prove that here. Get the calculator out. So 2 cubed equals 8. Cube root of 8 equals 2. Alright. So now we have 2 times the cube root of 12. I got 12. 2 times 2 squared equals 4. 4 times 3 is 12. Alright. So this is the simplified version of the cube root of 96. Alright, so now when you look at A to the power of 9. Cube root of A to the power of 9. So this might look familiar. When you have things like this, the rule is, let's see, n x m. Alright, equals x m over n. Alright, so cube root of a to the power of 9 equals a to the power of 9 over 3. 9 divided by 3, or so 9 divided by 3, you know this, equals 3. Right. Everybody knows that. So the cube root of a to the power of 9 equals a to the root to a to the power of 9 divided by 3 equals a cubed. Or yeah, man, I'm having trouble talking, but you know what it says. You can just read it. Alright, so we do the same for b. Cube root of b over 7. No, sorry. Cube root of b to the power of 7 equals b to the power of 7 over 3. But 7 over 3 is not does not equal a whole number. So that means that some of the b will be left inside of the cube root. So 7 divided by 3 equals 2. So you could take, that's pretty simple. 3 times 3 equals 6, and then you have multiplied by 3 again. You have 9. So you could get.
My father was killed by the rebels. When my mother died, they brought me to.
Sorry, this ad popped up on my tablet from the calculator. So you could take 2 whole numbers out of the b and have b squared, but you have to leave that other b inside of the cube root because it's not a whole number. So you are left with b squared times the cube root of b. You have to leave part of the b under that cube root. Now you need to combine everything. There's 2 times the cube root of 12 times a cubed times b squared times the power of cube root of b. And you're left with this. You combined the 12 and the b to get 12b. And that's how we knew that A is the correct answer. Cube root of 96 times a to the power of 9 times b to the power of 7 equals 2 times a cubed plus b squared times the cube root of 12b. Right. And that is my test 8 presentation. Thank you.